In the last section, we were able to fetch our list of videos. Now it's time to render them out on the right-hand side. We're going to create two separate components. One is going to be the video list. The other is going to be the video item. The video list is going to take that array of video objects that we just fetched from the YouTube API. And then for each video object, we're going to render a single video item. So remember, not just this thing right here is going to be a video item. It's going to be that, and that one, and that one. All three are instances of the video item component. Now in this video, we're going to start to create those two components and then wire the video list up to the app component. Remember, the app component alone is going to show the video list, and then the video list in turn is going to render out all of the different video item components. All right, so let's get to it. I'm going to flip back over to my code editor, and inside of my components directory, I'm going to make a new file called the video list.js. We're going to create a functional component inside of here. So I'll say import React from React. I'll make a new function called video list. This is going to take some props object, which we are not going to use just yet, but we will use in just a minute. And then for right now, I'll have it return a div with the text video list. And then at the bottom, I'll put in my export default video list. All right, so that's a good start. Let's now wire this up to the app.js file. So I'm going to flip back over to app.js. At the very top, I will add an import statement for the video list. And then I will add this component down inside of my render method. And I'm going to make sure that I clean up that I have blank videos that we had just a moment ago. So right after the search bar, I will place video list. Now, whenever the app component shows the video list, we have to give the video list the list of video objects that we have fetched so that the video list knows what to actually render on the screen. So we're going to pass a prop down into the video list called videos. And this is going to be a reference to the array that we fetch anytime that we call on term submit. So the actual array of videos is going to be available at this.state.videos. So I'm going to make sure that inside the video list, I pass in a prop named videos. Notice how this is plural. There's an S on the end. And I'm going to pass in this.state.videos, like so. So now we can go back over to the video list. Now, anytime that this component is rendered onto the screen, it will have a prop called props.videos. This is going to be the array of different records that we want to render out as HTML to the screen. For right now, just to make sure that these props are showing up appropriately, I'm going to remove the text video list and replace it with props.videos.length, just as we had before. All right, so I'm going to save this. I'll flip back over to my browser. I see over here a very small little 0. And if I put in a search term and hit enter, I see it go up to 5, which means that we are correctly getting our list of videos from the app component down into the video list. All right, let's take a pause here. When we come back to the next section, we're going to start to also implement the video item component and make sure that the video list shows a list of video items. All right, so quick pause and I'll see you in just a minute.